Are you hungry? You want to eat, Phoebe? Tell me, Phoebe. You want to eat? Tell me, Phoebe. Say, yes, Mama, I want to eat. Feed me, feed me. Oh, she's so excited. She's so excited. Feed me, Mama. Feed me. Oh, Teddy wants to eat too. Oh, be careful. Be careful. Don't hurt her. That's a good girl. Yes. There we go. Yes, I want to eat, Mama. Feed me. Feed me, Mama. Look at me. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Hi, Sammy. Come here, Sammy. Over here. Feed me, Sammy. Feed me, Mama. Feed me, Mama. I'm so excited. Hey. Hey, little Missy. Well, hello there.